Greetings, children. Welcome to the online classes. This is Aishwarya. Please like and subscribe the channel for the further updated videos. The following video is for class 4, subject General Science, chapter 7, Birds, their feathers, beaks and claws. Now, in the previous video, the first video of this lesson, we learned what are birds. Birds are the amazing creatures. They lay eggs, they are warm-blooded, they have 2 feet, they have a beak, and we learned about their feathers. Then we learned about what are the different types of wings. Wings help the birds to fly. Flying makes the birds very special or different from other creatures. So, today's video we are going to learn what are the different types of wings. Now, what are the different types of wings? Fast takeoff wings, soaring wings, high speed wings, slow flapping wings, long distance flyer wings, and flightless birds. These are the things that will be covered in the today's video. First of all, we are going to start with fast takeoff wings. Fast takeoff wings. Now, these some birds like turkeys and pheasants, etc., must take off quickly to get away from predators. Now, these birds have to go away from the predators. So if they just have to escape from the predators. So, these birds have relatively short, fat wings. This wings shape allow fast takeoff and short flight. These birds are good at flying around trees and other obstacles. Like here, the example first picture is the turkey and the turkey flying. Second picture is the pheasant and pheasant flying. They are they fly only for short distances, not long distances. So they have relatively short and fat wings. They have short and fat wings. This wings shape allows fast takeoff and short flight. Okay, they cannot fly for a longer distance, so their flight is very short. Example is pheasant and turkeys. You should remember the examples, children. It's a little important. Next type of wing is soaring wings. S-O-A-R-I-N-G. Soaring, W-I-N-G-S, wings. We see red-tailed hawks, eagles, vultures, etc. are soaring above the earth. That means they fly above the clouds. Okay, their wings are long but are relatively broad or fat. Okay, they're relatively broad or fat. This wing's shape is great for soaring high up in the sky. Vultures can fly high in the air for hours without flapping their wings. Here you can see the picture of red-tailed hawks, eagles and vultures. These three birds are specially having the soaring wings. Soaring wings means they can fly high above in the sky, high up in the sky. Okay, and vultures can fly in the air for hours without flapping their wings. Flapping means moving it up and down. Okay, that is called flapping. Without flapping their wings, they can fly for long hours. For 4 more hours they can fly up in the sky. Next is high speed wings. High speed wings means these wings are long, narrow and angled. Now for soaring wings, examples were hawk and eagle. For high speed wings, the examples are swift and swallows. Okay. Now so birds with this wing type can fly quickly. Fast movement which allow birds to turn quickly. We see such wings in swift and swallows and other shore birds. We can see the barn swallow catching insects in the air. It can uh, take turns very fast. Okay, and the speed is little more when compared to the other birds, and they can take turns very quickly. So these have the long, narrow and angled wings. Okay, next is slow flapping wings. Next one is slow flapping wings. As the term itself says, the heron and egret have the wings which are long and slender. This wing shape is good for long flight. They have long and slender wings, which is help them for the long flights. Okay, long slow wing flaps characteristics the flight of these birds that fly long distances. These birds fly for a very long distances compared to any other birds. Okay, then the examples are heron and egret. Heron, heron, egret, egret. These two are the type of birds which have slow flapping wings. They have long and slender wings which help them for a long flight. They can fly for a longer distances. Next is long distance flyer wings. What happens is many birds which in the winter seasons when it is extremely cold, they migrate to the different countries where the weather is warmer. Okay, to go to the different countries where the weather is warmer, they have to fly longer and for a longer distance for a lot more time. So they need the long distance flyer wings. The wings are Many long distance migratory birds stay in the air for 2 days. Continuously for the 2 days, they will keep going on flying and flying because they have to cross oceans to come to the different countries. Okay, here the example taken is the seagull. The seagulls which fly from America to other countries where it is warmer during the winter season in America. Their wings make this possible. The wings are long, narrow, and pointed wings. They make the flying easy and reduce the amount of energy the birds need to fly for long distances. They are small birds, no? They cannot store a lot of energy. So these kind of wings help them to fly for a longer distances. Example is a seagull, Seagull. Seagulls have these kinds of wings. So these are the different kinds of wings that we learned today, that are fast takeoff wings, which is present in pheasant and turkey. Now here is the example of the seagull and a flock of seagulls. Okay, so we learned about fast takeoff wings in pheasant and turkey, then soaring wings in hawk and eagle, then high speed wings in swift and swallow, slow flapping wings were present in heron and egret, and long distance flyer wings and in seagulls. We are going to see the other part of the birds which do not have wings, or they have wings but they don't use it for flying. They are called the flightless birds. Flight, flight, les is flightless birds. Now the birds which cannot fly, they make it up to their lifestyle by being best in something else. So we are going to learn about the flightless birds. The Some birds cannot fly. The ostrich, penguin, and kiwi birds cannot fly. The best examples for flightless birds are ostrich, penguin, and kiwi. Now because they cannot fly, they must be good in something else. So ostrich is a very fast runners. Okay, they run very fast, and it can actually beat a horse. A horse is considered as the animal which can run fast, right? So the ostrich can beat a horse itself. Then penguins are good swimmers. They sometimes wobble when they walk, but they are very good at diving and swimming. Here is the picture of the penguin. They are very good swimmers. Their body is modified in such a way that they can swim very well, but they cannot fly. So these three are the examples of the birds that cannot fly. What are the three examples? That is the ostrich, penguins, and kiwi. The remaining part of the lesson will be completed in the next video. Stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself, and keep learning, children. Thank you.